video, we will discuss important topics of India after independence and political philosophy. So let's start the video. India after independence and political philosophies. So इसके इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं जो हम लोग को पढ़ना है. Admission of princely states. Second topics which are very important: role of important personalities and third topic we should to focus on that: important movements after 1947. Fourth, communism. Fifth, capitalism. And sixth, socialism. These are important topics. We have to focus on that for preparations of UPSC GS paper 1. Okay, thank you. Keep watching my videos.